Hi everyone, here is given that y equal to x to the power x to the power x, and we have to find the value of dy by dx. So let's start how to solve. So here is given that y equal to x to the power x to the power x. Now taking log on both sides, so this becomes log y equal to log, let them as a equation 1, so x to the power x to the power x. Now we know that the property of log a to the power b can be written as b into log a. So using this property, log y equal to, so this powers comes here, x to the power x log x. So this is the equation 2. Now again taking log on both sides, log of log y equal to log x to the power x into log x. Now this becomes log y, and here is log x to the power x plus log of log x. Now simplifying, so here is log of log y equal to, now this powers comes here, so this becomes x log x plus log of log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, so dy by dx log of log y equal to dy by dx x log x plus log of log x. Now we know that the differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x. So in our case x is log y, so here is log y, and the derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx equal to dy by dx x log x plus dy by dx log of log x. Now 1 by y log y into 1 by y dy by dx equal to, now here we using UV rule, so x into dy by dx of log x plus log x into dy by dx of x plus here derivative of log x is 1 by log x, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. Therefore 1 by log y into 1 by y dy by dx x, here derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1 plus 1 by x log x. Now let's simplify both sides, so here is 1 by y log y dy by dx is equal to x cancel out, 1 plus log x plus 1 by x log x. Therefore dy by dx equal to y log x 1 plus log x plus 1 divided by x log x, and we know that the value of y, and sorry here is y, so here is y not x, so we know that the value of y and log y from equation 1 and 2. So here is equation 1, sorry, here this is our equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now substitute the value of y and log y. So we get the value of dy by dx. So y is x to the power x to the power x and log y is x to the power x log x 1 plus log x plus 1 by x log x. So this is our required answer of the given problem.